In this tutorial, I will show you Smudge Tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. You can access Smudge Tool from this blade tool, sharpen tool, under it Smudge Tool. So Smudge Tool smear and blend colors together. You can see this is smearing and blending colors together. Here is few options there. You can use any brush or you can change any types of brush from here as like brush tool. You can everything do it. So also here is mode. This is normal mode. You can see darken mode highlighted, the shadow option, lighting option, hue color. I have already told it in my previous video, so please you can check it. And here is strength, also sample all layers and finger painting. So I am getting another layer and checking it, sample all layer. So I am smudging this portion. Strength is I am reducing to it 40% or 39%. So I am smudging it. So here it is. I am want to completing it. Yes. So you can see that if I turned off it, also working. It is, please wait a few. It is working. It's processing. So you can see this is. So I have fully controlled about it. So if I screen mode, I turned on screen mode here, you can see what's the difference. The lighting has been popped up. So you can see in this technique, that was before and that was after. The light is very much pop up here using this technique. Also here is foreground color is green. If I finger painting, I am checking it. So you can see when I am smudging here, you can see it will edit this foreground color in the smudge. So I hope you got something from this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.